Have you ever wondered why iron rusts when exposed to air and moisture, but gold does not? Welcome to the fascinating world of chemical substances, nature, and behavior. Today, we'll delve into the heart of matter, exploring the intricate dance of atoms and molecules that make up everything around us. We'll lean heavily on the wisdom of the ENCERT guidelines, making this journey both intriguing and educational. Our journey begins with the fundamental building blocks of matter, atoms. An atom, as you might already know, is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. These atoms band together to form molecules, paving the way for the diverse array of substances we see around us. But atoms and molecules don't just randomly come together. They follow a set of rules known as chemical bonds. These bonds, whether ionic, covalent, or metallic, dictate how atoms share or transfer electrons, leading to the formation of different substances. Now, you might remember our question about iron and gold. This is where the concept of reactivity comes into play. Some elements, like gold, are less reactive and don't readily form compounds. Others, like iron, are more reactive and readily combine with other elements. And what's the result of these reactions? The formation of new substances, of course. This is the essence of a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the reactants interact to form products with the conservation of mass holding true. This means that the total mass of the reactants equals the total mass of the products. But how can we tell if a chemical reaction has occurred? There are several telltale signs, such as a change in color, the formation of a precipitate, or the release of gas. For example, when iron rusts, it turns from a shiny metallic gray to a dull reddish brown. That's a clear sign of a chemical reaction. Now, let's consider the speed of these reactions. Some reactions are swift, like the explosion of fireworks. Others are slow, like the rusting of iron. This speed, known as the rate of reaction, is influenced by several factors, including temperature, concentration, and the presence of catalysts. In summary, the world of chemical substances is governed by the behavior and interactions of atoms and molecules. Chemical bonds dictate how these atoms and molecules come together, while reactivity determines how readily they form compounds. Chemical reactions are the processes by which new substances are formed, with telltale signs indicating their occurrence. The rate of these reactions can vary, influenced by various factors. As we close, remember that this knowledge isn't just academic. It's the fundamental understanding that fuels innovations in fields as diverse as medicine, engineering, and environmental science. So, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep discovering the wonders of chemistry. Until next time, stay curious.